Welcome back to English Language and Literature. In this video, we're going to be talking about one of the most commonly confused words in English, affect and effect. By the end of this video, you'll understand the difference and learn a simple trick to never mix them up again. So let's see how. Affect is usually a verb. It means to influence or change something. For example, the weather affects my mood. In this sentence, affects describes an action, what the weather does to my mood. On the other hand, effect is mostly a noun. It refers to the result of an action. For example, the effect of the weather on my mood is noticeable. Here, effect describes the result of the weather. A quick way to remember is effect equals action and effect equals end result. Think A for action and E for end. Now, let's see some examples to make it crystal clear. The loud music affected her ability to concentrate. Here, affected is the action. It is what the music did. On the other hand, if I say, the effect of the loud music was a headache. Here, effect describes the result of the music. Another example could be, imagine spilling coffee on your favorite book. Here, the spill affects the pages, and the stain is the effect. And now, there you have it, the difference between affect and effect, made very simple. If you want to learn more grammar tips, don't forget to follow English Language and Literature. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.